Well, hey, thanks for stopping by today.
What's up?
I'm going to show you how to program your HomeLink on your Toyota Sienna. Your HomeLinks are the buttons under your mirror. There's 3 buttons. There's 3 little they look like houses right there. Those open your garage doors. So if you have 3 garage doors, you can open up 3 garage doors with those. In this case here, we're going to open up that first door right there. You don't have to have the car on running to do this. Right here, these 3 buttons, the 1, 2, 3, we want to press 1 and 3 both at the same time. And we're going to hold it. It may take 10, 15 seconds, but we're looking for that red light to start flashing really fast like that. So what that does is that clears any previous codes or doors that may have been in it before. So once you got it cleared out, your next step is you're going to need a garage door remote. You're going to need your remote that opens the door. So we're going to take this remote, we're going to choose 1, 2, or 3. That's totally up to you, whatever button you want to open the door. I'm going to choose number 1, 3 to 5 inches away. Press and hold both buttons at the same time. That red light's flashing slow. We want to wait for that guy to flash fast. There we go. And then we can let go. So now let's go into the garage. So once you are in the garage, you want to locate the garage door opener. On the garage door opener, you want to locate what's called the Learn button. This particular machine, it's labeled right here. So what we want to do now is press that Learn button. Now on some openers, you may have to take a light cover off to gain access to it. This one here, it's wide open, so it's right there. What you want to do is press that Learn button. And let's go back to the vehicle. Alright, so now that you're back into your Toyota Sienna, you want to go to the button that you programmed with the remote. Press it once, twice,
3 times a lady.
There it is. Closing. Let's let it go all the way down. Let's try it. Bingo. Stop it midway, send it back down. Thanks for following along today. I hope this video really helps you out. Hit the like button and leave a comment if you got any questions.
Talk to you next week. Peace out.